Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Lesson 14. In this lesson, we learn the following. The plural of anta is you, which is masculine singular, is antum. Who are you? Man antum. The plural of ka, your, is kum. For example, Aina baytukum ya ikhwanu? Where is your house, O brothers? The plural of ana, I, is nahnu. Like ana, its plural, nahnu, refers to both the masculine and feminine. Nahnu muslimuna, nahnu muslimatun. We are Muslims, male and female. We have learned that bayti means my house. Now we learn that our house is baytuna. Allahu Rabbuna. Allahu Rabbuna. Allah is our Lord. Al-Islamu dinuna. Islam is our faith. Muhammadun sallallahu alayhi wasallam nabiyuna. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is our prophet. So, Rabbuna, our Lord, Dinuna, our religion, Nabiyuna, our prophet. Dhahabta means you went, masculine singular. Dhahabtum means you went, masculine plural. Where did you go, my sons? Aina dhahabtum, ya abna'i? Where did you go, O my sons? Dhahabtu means I went, and we went is dhahabna. Note that they went, feminine, is dhahabna. The difference between the two is that in dhahabna, the final a is short, and in dhahabna, there's a alif there, so it is long. We have seen that feminine proper nouns have no tanween. For example, Aminatu, Maryamu, Khadijatu. Now we learn that non-Arabic proper nouns also have no tanween. So, Hitleru, Williamu, Pakistanu, Lannanu. So, you're not allowed to put tanween on non-Arabic nouns. So that's why throughout the Quran, non-Arab prophets, for example, Ibrahimu, Ishaqu, Yaqubu, none of them will have the names. So basically, which is what's mentioned in the next line. The names of most of the prophets are non-Arabic and therefore they have no tanween. Adamu, Ibrahimu, Ishaqu, Ismailu, Yaqubu. If, however, the non-Arabic proper noun has only 3 letters and is masculine, it has tanween. So this is an exception to the rule. Okay, it has 3 letters, masculine, and it will take tanween. Like Khanun. Khanun. In Pakistan, the Pathans generally their last name is Khan. So Khanun, Jurjun, George, Lutun, Nuhun. So this will be the case that if it has only 3 letters. We have learned that mudaf is definite by position. So when the mudaf has an adjective, it must be definite. For example, Baytul Imamil Jadidu. Baytul Imamil Jadidu. Now this is a little bit of a complicated rule and you have to pay attention to the harakat here. So Baytu Al-Imami, this means the house of the Imam, and Al-Jadidu has a dhamma. So this is actually the adjective of Baytu. It's the adjective of the Baytu. So therefore, the translation is the Imam's new house. Now, the question for you is that if it has a kasra here, al-jadidi, then what would the translation be? The translation would be the new Imam's house. It would then become an adjective of al-imami. Okay, so you have to pay attention to the harakat, and thereby you would find out what the whose sifa it is actually describing. And also it has alif lam, and we've discussed before that alif lam, when you have a ma'rifa sifa, meaning a definite mawsuf, sorry, not sifa, mawsuf, then the sifa also will have alif lam. So baytu is ma'rifa because of the fact that it is mudaf, and alif lam is on this sifa because it is describing baytu. Here baytu is the mudaf and it is definite by position. The same applies to the mudaf whose mudaf ilayhi is a possessive pronoun. For example, baytuhu al-jadidu. So here they had al-imami as the mudaf ilayh. The same thing applies if there was a dhamir as a mudaf ilayh. بيته الجديد, his new house. Note the following: بيت الإمام الجديد, the Imam's new house, and بيت الإمام الجديد. And this is the example I actually gave you, the new Imam's house. So in this case, because al-Jadidi has a kasra, it becomes the sifa of al-Imam. So the translation will then be the new Imam's house. أي, which, it is used as a mudaf. أي بيت هذا, whose house is this? Or you can say which house is this? أي طالب خرج, which student just went out? When preceded by a preposition, it is in the genitive case. For example, which country are you from? Min أي. So min is affecting أي like it would any mudaf. So min أي بلد أنت, which country are you from? من أي فصل جلست, في أي فصل جلست, in which classroom did you sit? It can be in the accusative case, which language do you like? So in this case, what is happening is أي لغة تحب. In this case, it is becoming مفعول مقدم of تحب. It becomes the object of تحب. So which language do you like? So the action of liking or loving is being done on أي. So therefore, أي is a fatha. It has a fatha. Going on to the vocabulary. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا, welcome. طفلة, child, feminine. المطار, airport. الكلية, faculty or college. كلية الطب, كلية الهندسة, كلية التجارة, كلية الشريعة. All of these different faculties as mentioned over here. نصراني, Christian, the plural of that is Nasara. النبي, prophet. الدين, religion. شفاه, this is a dua that you give to somebody when you hear that he is sick. May Allah grant him health. Ad-Dustur, constitution, law. Al-Qiblatu, we know that. Al-Mahkamatu, court of law. Hafidun, grandson, the plural is Hafadatun. Al-Hadiqatu, garden. Al-Rabbu, Lord. Yawm al-Sabt, Saturday. Al-Shahru, the month. Rajabun, the month of Rajab. Al-Yunan, Greece. Ikhwatun, plural of Akhun.